BZFD Stock Thursday. Is this stock a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Because Buzzfeed stock announced today is super simple for me. It's 18% up. I'm just zooming out. We can get, just gauge the right idea of where the price is. Like there's obviously this is all subjective. It's not financial advice. And this is how it looked like previously for me. I'm just gonna move it to the upside from where it was supposed to be. Boom, right? So what was the idea? I mean, I had something like going out from. I don't even know like what was the case there, but we see that the supply zone didn't last, and now we're just observing because I'm trying to be a part of this bullish trend. I'm just gonna mark out the previous highs, which are coming down from these demand zones. So I want to see the price come back into my demand zone, give me the rules, and only then I will buy. It's obviously not financial advice. I'm gonna put it like a wait sign here. Just for context, I'm using my strategy system that's giving me thousands of wins. So if you want to learn my strategy for free, check out the first link in the description.